It always starts the same way. The client says, just one quick favor. You say yes, once, to be nice. 3 months later, you're working twice the hours for the exact same paycheck. That's not a client problem. That's a boundary problem. And most solo business owners never learned what to say. Not because they're bad at business, but because nobody gave them the script. Today, I'm going to give you 3 prompts that handle the whole thing, from the first awkward ask, to the pushback, to holding the line without a single apology. Victoria runs her own social media management business. She was hired by a wellness studio to write and schedule 3 Instagram posts a week, $500 a month. 3 months in, the list is grown. Design the email header, write the new instructor's bio, post to Facebook too, film a quick reel. Victoria said yes to all of it, every time. And last Tuesday, this arrived. Hey, can you write a quick email to our subscribers this week? It'll only take you 20 minutes. Her stomach dropped because it won't take 20 minutes. It never does, and she already knows she's going to say yes. Here's what she does instead. Before she replies, before she says yes or no, she opens ChatGPT and runs this prompt, which helps her understand her specific situation. All the prompts are in the description. ChatGPT confirms it. It's outside of scope. But here's what actually changes everything. It also tells her the risk. Every time she says yes for free, the client learns that free is an option. The relationship she's been trying to protect is the one she's been quietly destroying. Now she knows what she's actually dealing with. The next step is knowing what to say. Victoria runs this prompt, which writes her reply. Here's what comes back. No confrontation, no apology, no lecture about scope, just a clear, warm path forward. But what if the client pushes back? What if they say, if you're going to nickel and dime us, maybe we're not a good fit? That sentence makes most solo business owners panic and instantly back down. Here's a prompt that holds the line, and here's the response. It doesn't fight back, and it doesn't apologize. It calmly places a choice back in their lap. Victoria doesn't lose the client, she just stopped losing money. These 3 prompts don't make you confrontational. They make you clear, and clarity is what protects the relationship, not the yes you gave when you meant no. If you're regularly saying yes to things that aren't in your contract, you're not being nice. You're letting resentment build until the relationship breaks. The prompts are in the description. Save them before the next ask lands. What's the one quick favor you've been doing for free for months? Drop it in the comments. I might build the next video around it. If this was useful, subscribe. New systems for solo business owners every week.